going, and I played around with it a little bit, and I ended up getting them back. All the switches to the west end of the yard are shorting out.
Let's see if it does that again.
The arrival lead, the departure lead, this crossover, this turnout, this crossover.
But they were having trouble with that.
Thursday we had a little issue with it, and then it went away. Separate again.
Yeah,
Yep.
Well, I can. Let's swap them out.
Yep, it's still happening.
Let's see if we can pile up now.
You're still together, who's the time?
Yeah, the film. The hobby shop right now. Scratch built it themselves. As far as I know. Quite stuff there. Henry, I will film when I want to film. Oh, that. What was that? That's a Clark.
Oh, yeah, this is,
1964.
this is almost 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny.
There's a blue diesel in the back.
Running.
Over there. It's not switcher, it's a double header, kinda.
Is it moving?
Yes.
Alright then. Go and take a look at that. Sorry for what might be poor quality in this video. Now, this is the Silk City Mall Railroad Club. And I'll try and make some more videos of this in, well, another time. Let's see what we got here today. Let's try and find a train.
What's one of those?
Oh, wait. Is that? Oh, there it is.
Right there.
Yeah. Nice camera quality.
We'll be running next Sunday from 1 until 4. Actually, we'll be doing
No, we
some
won't be
maintenance.
running.
Well, we'll be doing
We'll
some-
be working.
We'll be doing some maintenance, but there'll be some trains running partially, but the other clubs will be running too. So, yeah, we gotta figure that out, where they're gonna be doing the maintenance.
Well, the maintenance is gonna be from Manchester and Somerville, so we're not gonna be able to run through there.
No, we'll probably be able to run trains up and around. the
We could,
curve.
yeah, we'll be able to run the curve and back, curve to Chicago and back, and we'll be able to, do yard switching, and we'll be able to run commuter trains to Reading. So you might wanna bring in some New Haven.
Yeah,
that we can run in push-pull.
And we can also run the trolley line.
Trolley line can be run, I can run narrow gauge, or not narrow gauge, the logging.
Yeah.
So I got that new excursion train up there, I should get some people for that.
Well, let me see what happens.
Where's the logging train? Somewhere back there?
It's down, see the coal mine down here?
Let me see here.
The logging train's actually not hooked up, the log cars are somewhere else, but there's a shade there with 2 excursion cars.
Right in here.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, very nice.
And then the logging area is up in the mountains, up over just to your right.
Right there. Yeah, I see those. Yeah, that's very detailed there. Yeah, and you have to be kind of tall to notice that. I didn't notice that until up until a few years ago. And back to the Conrail quality consist. How many cars? The little excursion engine is right here, and right here. How many cars is there on that?
Hang on. 3 6-packs is 18. 4 5-pack, 4 5-pack, 20. 20 and 18 is 38. And those are just
How long is it?
cars.
Oh, cars.
And these are only Beth guns. I have another 20 some odd 3-bay hoppers that I can put on here.
What's your is there a car limit on this layout? Like,
Typically, we will only run trains that are long enough to fit into our passing sidings. At least the club trains, we sort of keep to that size so they can be, or fit in this yard. But every once in a while,
have like that one large
you
consist
can-
for the
you can have
show.
this, I've put this at full length up to almost 60 cars. And we have a storage track, a hidden storage track under here with an item.
We got up to 75 cars now.
Really?
Yeah, I know. I see that.
You know what? It might have been. I think I combined just one. I think I had
We
two
got it to
different refrigerators
75.
layout and combined them all.
But 75 wasn't a happy camper,
No,
so.
no. It'll be easier on DCC when I can do DPUs and train numbers.
Have you guys made any progress in converting this layout into DCC?
We are about to, we're not going to be running on the 17th next weekend. Because we are about to, right now our DCC is just here in the yard. And
So we're
then
not gonna have
on
a full-
the upper loop through Horseshoe Curve, round through to here. And we're going to extend it through the next 2 sections
You can
over
still
the
come
next
and
couple of
visit,
weeks.
and we will be running trains, but just not the full.
Yeah, we won't be able to run the full layout, but we'll be here next Sunday, pushing the DCC through 2 more blocks.